What's up, guys? I'm back to another banger of a video. So you guys can see we got some foggy ass oxidized headlights. We're gonna be repairing that today. So we got this Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit, plus we're gonna be tinting them to a little let's see if it says right here, a little smoke black. It should look good. But yeah, we're gonna be restoring those. It should be an easy cheesy lemon squeezy modification, not modification, but little repair on the CRV. But yeah, with just this itself, it's gonna make the headlights way much more clear, not so yellowy. As you can see, they're not bad, but it could be better. Plus the tint, it's gonna add a little more to the rest of the car, a little more darker. But it should be cool, quick and easy thing. We're probably gonna be only doing this one today, and then I'll be picking up on the camera to do this part, the tinting. Just because it's kind of gloomy, and I would kind of prefer to do it on a more warmer day. It's just been raining here, so we're gonna be doing just the ceramic headlight restoration kit, and then I'll pick up the camera with the tinting. But yeah, first things first, let's open up the box. It's just like 3 steps. Here, let me pull everything out. So the first step is going to be the oxidation remover, and then the second step, which should be around here somewhere, or third step actually, sorry, that's going to be the ceramic clear coating itself. So that's pretty much what it's going to be bringing it to. First step, oxidation, the oxy remover, whatever. Second is sand the headlights down, and then third, the clear coat. This is optional to everyone, but I'm going to be taping around here just because I don't want to, I don't know, just to be safe, precautions, you know. But we'll get to it. Alright, we got the headlights all masked off, both sides. Get your pack of the oxidation remover, pull it out, just go to town to see how much it picks up. So we're just gonna be going back and forth on this. Let's see, it comes with like 3 packs, but we're gonna see if we could just use like one of the 2 packs. I want to try to use some on the Civic, because the Civic does need some desperately. But so far so good so far. Damn, that's a lot. Let's go to the other side. Let's flip it to the cleaner side. So already so far good results with just this itself. Damn, I wouldn't even doubt it if this is all we just need to clean it up. Damn, look at this. Damn, this shit looks musty as hell. It looks like a homeless person's like tiny whiteies, you know. Damn, just from like that itself, look how clean it looks. Damn, we're gonna use another one. Missed a couple spots over here. We're gonna use another one, and I'll get back to you guys. I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. We're gonna let it dry up as well. But damn, just from that itself, it's already looking clean. It looks really clear. It's not really that yellow. But let's hit it with another one of these. Alright, just hit it on the second one. Damn, these bitches brighter than my future. Look at them. They're crystal clear already. Obviously, we're gonna proceed with the sanding procedure, just so they could be A1, plus adding the ceramic coating. But just from this itself, it's pretty clean. Look at that. Now that looks pretty good. You guys gotta admit, you guys saw it in the beginning of the video. So yeah, we're gonna start the sanding process. I'm gonna put some gloves on. I probably should have already with this. But no biggie, we're gonna wipe it down as well, give it another cleanup. We're gonna be wet sanding, so I don't know if I'm gonna be using this or a whole water bottle to spray it down as I sand it, but we'll get to that. Alright, for the second part of this restoration kit, you're provided with a red burgundy kit, or red burgundy pad, and then a green one. The red one is 2000 grit, and then the green one is 3000 grit. So you're gonna be going at it like side by side for like 2-3 minutes. That's what it's suggesting. So we're gonna be starting with this. We're gonna be using the pink spray as like our lubricant. So yeah, there's pretty much, yeah, you just go back and forth, try to get all the corners in. Same with on this side, get all the corners in as well. This kit's pretty easy if you ask me. But yeah, it's all hand motion. You don't need no power tools or anything. You're all good on that part. So we're gonna get started to the next part. Just finished the sanding part, the step 2. Already looking good. Did a little back to dull, but we'll probably touch them back up again right now. But so far so good. We're just gonna wipe it off, clean it good. I'm gonna switch batteries right now on the camera. It's on 3%, so hopefully I can finish this little clip first. But yeah, we're gonna start getting back to the ceramic part, and then should be good. You just gotta let it dry for 60 minutes. That's another reason why I'm gonna be tinting it a different day, because it's a long drying procedure. So let's switch cameras now, or I mean back. All right, it's time for step number 3. Here it is. I let it all dried up, cleaned up. It's all hazy and all from the sanding, but we're gonna start going to step 3. Hopefully it doesn't rain right now, but we should be good. So let's start hitting it with this part. Here's a little thing. We're gonna see if we could use just one. Just from this wipe, it's already doing a lot. Dang. Look, I'm gonna bring you guys in right now so you guys can see how this just look, and this is looking mint. Look at this. We're gonna hit it on the other side. Check it. Damn, this is crystal clear now. This is already looking big day and night difference. So you guys could all see. Make sure you guys get all those corners in. Don't miss anything. But then just from like doing minimal work, this thing brings back your headlights like crazy. Look at that. Gotta get this corner in. Damn, I'm gonna start taking off the lights, and I'm gonna probably use the other one just so it could be good. The lights, I meant the fucking tape. Yeah, peep this, peep this. They ripped off the plastic dip from the owner who previously had this car, but I plan on redoing it anyways. But look at this. What a difference. Big difference. They're crystal clear now. So we're gonna let these dry up. It already like self-leveled on like from the wiping things, but they look pretty clean. And you can see right there that they're OEM Hondas. You can see the Stanley and the Honda logo, so they're real, guys. They're real. All right, so next clip should be on a nicer weather for us to start the tinting process. Mind you guys, I'm gonna link everything in the description, so if you guys were interested in doing the same thing, there's a cheap alternative if you guys don't want to buy new headlights. So yeah. All right, it's been like a whole week later, but peep the headlights, pretty clean. It's been raining here in Cali, so I haven't been able to do anything, but we got everything here. We're gonna finish this job. We got the tint right here, we got a squeegee right here, a little blade, and a heat gun. So we're gonna get started. I'd assume most of y'all know how to do this, but if y'all don't, it's okay, neither do I. So I'm not gonna give y'all a tutorial. I'll show you guys the outcome. I'll do a little time lapse, but let's just get right into it. We're just gonna clean it up. We have I forgot the alcohol. JK's right here. We got the alcohol right here, 70% isopropyl, whatever you say that, just to get all the contaminants and, you know, clean it up good. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got one side tinted. Not sure how I feel yet. This is the non-tinted side and the tinted side. Not sure how I feel yet, but like I said, we'll see how it goes. I'm still gonna tint the other side and keep it on for a bit. I do have this piece coming in the chrome, so maybe that will help it out a bit, but we'll just find out in a couple weeks on how that looks. But let me know in the comments, guys. I'm gonna finish on the other side. This side took a while, so we'll see how it goes. All right, here's the results, guys. What do we think? Here, let me push the car a bit more back so y'all can see it more in the sunlight. But so far not bad. My cuts are not the best, as you can see, like right there, over here, And then over here's not that bad. Let me move the car a little more back so y'all can see it more in the sunlight. All right, there you go. We're in the sun now. So what do you guys think? Did we cook or nah? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? It's kind of hard to tell on this side. Overall, I don't think it was that bad. I think it looks a bit more better now that I'm seeing it more in the direct sunlight. It does look a little off on the car, not too much, but I think it works. Just comment down below what you guys think. If you guys are interested in doing this, I'll link the tint on the description. But not bad. I think I spent $30 overall on the tint and the on the restoration kit. Just a restoration kit itself makes it look way much more cleaner, more newer and all that. The clears definitely did look good, but the smoke's not too bad. What do you guys think? Once we get this little chrome piece in the mail, I think it'll look a bit more better, tie things a bit more nicer. Does match the pod lights, but overall not bad. Gives the car a bit more of a different look now. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. If you guys found this video interesting, share it, give it a like, comment down below that it helped. But yeah, have a good one, guys.